Mode Designs, established in 2020, has carved out a niche for itself with its high-end custom mechanical keyboards. Known for their quality and signature aesthetic, Mode has quickly become a well-known name in the keyboard community. Moving away from the traditional group buy model, Mode has embraced a pre-order system. Why is this significant? It's simple. When you pre-order a Mode keyboard like the Loop, you're not just expressing interest, you're guaranteed a product. These keyboards are either in production or on their way to you. In contrast, a group buy is essentially a crowd-funded project where production only kicks off after order numbers hit a certain threshold, leaving room for uncertainty. Sometimes these orders don't meet the minimum order quantity, leading to cancellations, meaning vendors need to process refunds for participants, which is often a very lengthy process. In some cases, vendors may decide to order the remaining units needed to hit the minimum order quantity, but not many are willing to take on the risk. With Mode, this uncertainty is a thing of the past. Your order is secure and guaranteed, making them one of the few vendors to do away with group buys entirely. The Loop shines in several areas. Its finish is superb, giving it a premium look and feel. It features distinct, visible accents that catch the eye, in line with the elegant design choices characteristic of Mode's releases. It's a heavy board, adding a sense of solidity and ensuring there is no hollow sound. And a thoughtful touch. No need for adhesives for the feet. They are press-fit into the chassis. However, compared to previous releases like the Envoy and Tempo, the Lattice mounts on the Loop feel stiffer, which might affect the typing experience for some.